So you look and then you still go. What was the point in looking?
Whoa, what a dickhead. Watch where you're going, mate.
But he ain't going to be able to get around that bus, is he? What a f***ing twat. Honestly.
The hilarious thing, now I've stopped doing the physio. Much better.
Yeah, I've been thinking about the physio though.
Yeah.
Are you going or not?
Oh yeah. Oh yes, no. Look at that. Maybe the car's so fat you can't fit in your bastard lane. At all. Wow! You break.
An idiot. Taxi driver twat.
At 5 lives already. You know, he's such a genius. Oh my God, and Amelia, your voice, Amelia, and his voice just soars. It's just a work of genius.
Now, your musical journey, or sort of a professional musical journey,
What an idiot.
Place where all the football season is still going on. It does look very weird this year. Not the only thing that's different about it. 25% capacity, and lots of social distancing, and one-way systems around the the complex here at the Nottingham Tennis Centre as well.
How much room do you want?
Really?
That's a nice piece, Bob. Yeah, now for a mayo. Could do with a wash. That's alright, mate. a bit engrossed there, eh? I know the feeling. I see so many people like that. A couple of them are killed mates of mine.
Why did you do that? Why did you go to the third lane?
way. It's still one lane and it's a learner. What an arsehole.
I don't think your parents are the only ones affected by it. Get out of the road, please. Stupid weekend.
Terrible. Yeah, I swear there's literally nursing courses.
Whoa, you're just doing there, buddy? Inbred.
Oh yeah, just sack it off and get right in front of everyone else, mate. Don't worry about it.
Good cyclist has lights. Knobhead cyclist has no lights.
That light needs actually your eyes though, doesn't it? Yeah.
So yeah, but she did. Oh, yeah.
I love the fact I had to go get a fucking boiling kettle to clean it off.
Oh, how do I go here? Alright, I guess I go this way.
I love the fact that
Ah, a Cam GTS. Not bad.
I don't want to know.
No. Me feeling back about his what? You know, you could just wait a little bit and squeeze through, but it's cool. You're in a right only lane. I know, right? It's weird. Poking the head out of me now.
Speed camera. Speed camera. Speed camera.
Yes, Roxy.
Speed camera.
Shut up.
Speed camera.
Yes.
Speed camera.
Oh, for the love of God.
Speed camera. Speed camera. Speed camera.